Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be simplifying addition and subtraction of surds using this very fast method. So let's start with question 1. Root of 32 plus root of 72. How do we simplify this question using this very fast method? So you look at root of 32, you look at 72. They can be divided, and if they are divided, one of it will be perfect square. Root of 32 can be 16 multiplied by 2, because 16 multiplied by 2 will give you 32, and root of 72 divided by 2 will give you 36. 36 is a perfect square, so root of 36 multiplied by 2. So root of 16 using the loss become root of 2 plus root of 36 multiplied by root of 2. Root of 16 will give us 4 root 2 plus root of 36 will give us 6 root 2. So 4 root 2 plus 6 root 2. Root 2 is common, so to be like this. Then we have our final answers 4 plus 6, then it's 2. That is how we solve it using this very fast method. Let's try question 2. Root of 245 minus root of 45. Again, we have 5 as the ending number 55. So that means 5 can divide this number. So 245 divided by 5, we have 49. So root of 49 multiplied by 5, and 49 is a perfect square, minus 45 divided by 5, 9. 9 is also a perfect square, so 9 multiplied by 5. That is how you solve this question using this fast method. So this will be root of 49 multiplied by root of 5 minus root of 9 multiplied by root of 5 using first law. So 7 multiplied by root of 5 minus 3 multiplied by root of 5. 5 is common, so it will be 7 minus 3 all in brackets multiplied by root of 5. Since 5 is common, 7 minus 3 will give you 4 root 5. That is a fast and easy method to solve this. So let's solve the last question. 2 root 27 plus 2 root 7 plus root of 75 minus 5 root 12. How do we solve it? 27, 75, 12. They can be divided by 3. So that's how you just look at it, and you just look for what can be divided, and the second number is a perfect square. So that's how you do it. So equal to 2. If 27 is divided by 3, to be 9 multiplied by 3 plus root 75 divided by 3 will be what? 25 minus 5 12 divided by 3 equals 4 multiplied by 3. Or it can be 2 root 9 multiplied by root 3 plus root of 25 multiplied by root 3 minus 5 root 4 multiplied by root of 3. Then we can have 2 root 9. 9 root of 9 is 3. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 6 root 3 plus 25. Root of 25 is 5. So we have 5 root 3. Root of 4 is 2. 2 multiplied by 5 minus 10 root 3. So as we can see here, root 3, root 3, root 3. Root 3 is common, so we can have 6 plus 5 minus 10, all in brackets, root of 3. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 minus 10 is 1. 1 multiplied by root of 3 is root 3 as our final answer. So with this, I've come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel in order to encourage me create more videos like this. Thank you.